Is your Daewoo fridge not cooling properly? Or maybe freezing too much? In this 2025 step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to easily adjust the temperature on your Daewoo RN 421NPT refrigerator. Step 1. Open the fridge compartment. Look inside the main refrigerator section. You'll find the temperature control dial, usually on the top or side wall. Step 2. Locate the control dial. The dial is numbered from 1 to 7, with 1 being the warmest and 7 the coldest. Set it to 4 for normal use. Step 3. Adjust the freezer, if applicable. If your model has a separate freezer dial, adjust it based on how frozen you want your food. 3 is standard, 5 to 6 for deep freezing. Step 4. Let it stabilize. Wait at least 12 to 24 hours for the new setting to take effect. Don't keep the door open too long during this period. Extra tip. In summer or hotter climates, set the dial higher, like 5. In winter, 3 to 4 should be enough to save energy. Done. Your Daewoo fridge is now set to the perfect cooling level. Follow for more home appliance guides.